So welcome to IDQ Value Adder. I'm Subhash Karthik, your master communication coach. And today we all are here to learn grammar in a funny way, in a fun way. And today the topic that we are going to cover, it's a very easy topic, wonderful topic, but very complicated topic. And this topic is known as article. Okay, so you have heard about articles because these are used in our daily conversation. Okay, so what is this article? And yes, today is the part one, and part two we will be doing it in the next class. So let's go ahead and learn about articles. So we all know that articles are a and the. Okay, so a and the. So a is an article, an is an article, and the is an article too. Okay, so we use a and the in our regular conversation, and it's very easy. Let's learn more about a and the. Okay, this is very important, that if you really want to know about articles, there are few rules. Rules are very important. So please write down the first rule, that is very important. And the rule is, use a before consonant sound. कभी भी जब consonant sound होगा ना, जैसे ब, क, ड, these are all consonant sound. P, these are all consonant sound. R, S, these are all consonant sound. See, we are talking about sound. I'm not telling P, Q, R, S. I'm not talking the letters. I'm talking about the sound. I'm talking about the sound, okay? P, K, B, these are all consonant sound. And what is vowel sound? A, this is all oo. These are all vowel sound. So vowel sound starts, originated from vowels like A, E, I, O, U. ये जो vowel sound है वो vowel से निकला हुआ है, और ये जो consonant sound है ये consonant से निकला हुआ है. But अभी हम consonant and vowel की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. Right now I'm talking about consonant sound and vowel sound. Okay, let's go ahead. So use a before consonant sound. For example, suppose the sentence is, I have a cat. I have a cat. So cat, k, sound is k. So we will put a here. Okay, see, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं इसको, जब पूछते हैं ना क्या है ये, बोलते कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कुछ लोग बोलते हैं a. When you are using in the sentence, you will sound as a. जब आप अलग से कहीं ABCD पढ़ रहे हो तो वहां पे इसको साउंड करेंगे a. But when you are sounding, when you are speaking English, आप ये नहीं बोलोगे कि I have a cat. No, I have a cat नहीं, I have a cat. I have a, not a. A means letters, but sentence में जब बोलेंगे that will be a. Okay, so I have a cat. A cat means cat, k sound, so a. Next sentence. She has a small house. So small, S, sir sound, sir. Then we have to put a. Okay. They have a big tree beside their house. Rohit saw a beautiful girl yesterday. Rohit saw a beautiful girl yesterday. I want to keep a dog as pet. So you can see in this examples, 5 examples have been given here, and all the examples, the articles are sitting before consonant sound. K, S, B, B, D. These are consonant sound. Okay. Before we go ahead, I just want to tell you one thing, that uh, the whole article PDF will be given you in the in the next week. Okay, not today. So if you don't want to write, that is perfect, because this is the PDF, you will be getting it by next week. Okay, anyway, the link of the video you will be getting it by tonight or by tomorrow morning. So try to listen more, try to understand more, try to write less. Okay, let's go ahead. Now it is rule number 1 के अंदर ये है first rule. Now rule number 1 के अंदर जो second rule है, that is use an before vowel sound. So now I'm talking about vowel sound, not vowel, huh? Vowel sound. Let's see the vowel sound. I have an apple. A, a. The sound is a, apple. The sound is a, apple. That is the reason it is I have an apple. She is an engineer. E, engineer. E is a vowel sound again. She is an engineer. I saw an O, old. I saw an old man walking down the street. She has an umbrella. Again, umbrella. See, I'm not talking about vowel. I'm talking about vowel sound. I'm repeating this every time. He bought an ice cream. So you can see all the an article, all the an have been, just placed before apple, engineer, old, umbrella, and ice cream, and all the vowel sounds are there. That is the reason that an has been placed here. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's do a small quiz then. I think you like quizzes, so let's go for a quiz. And this is a trial quiz. हाँ, हम लोग एक महा ग्रैंड क्विज करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक. अभी हम लोग एक छोटा सा क्विज कर रहे हैं. Let's go for a small quiz. The first question for Shilpa Keval. Shilpa ji.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your question is, what will be here? Dash elephant, an elephant or a elephant?
An elephant.
An elephant. Okay. Okay. अभी मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगा इसको, बस याद दिमाग में रखिए. Okay, now Shikha, can you tell me the next one? Car.
A car.
A car. Okay, a car. Fine. Let's go for Sujata, can you tell me the next? A teacher.
A teacher.
A teacher. Okay, a teacher. That is fine. Very good. Let's go to Nalini. Nalini, can you tell me number 4? Onion.
Onion.
An onion or a onion? A onion.
A onion.
A.
Yes, sir.
Because we call it a.
Onion.
A onion. Okay, fine. Now we'll go for Syed. Syed, can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Spinach omelette.
A.
Spinach.
Spinach omelette.
Okay, fine. Let's go for Momita. Momita, your sentence is interesting story.
An interesting story.
An interesting story. Okay, fine. Let's go to Ratna. Number 7.
A university.
A.
Yes.
A
A
university
university.
or an university.
An university.
An or a. Final.
An university.
An university. Okay, fine. Let's go for Manju Sharma. Manju Sharma, you have to tell me 8. European tour.
An
An European tour. And European tour. Okay, fine. Very good. Okay, number 9 is for Gopa Ghosh. Hour.
Hour.
An hour.
Hmm.
An hour. Okay, fine. Okay, let's go for Arpita Vishwas.
Yes, sir. Uh, An MA.
An
AMA.
MA.
An MA. AMA. A sound हो रहा है. Yes. An
M-
MA.
An MA. Okay, okay, okay. Fine. Okay, like now let's see the answers. An elephant, a car, a teacher, an onion, a spinach omelette, and okay, let's come. Okay, fine. An interesting story, a university. Yes, absolutely right, Ratna. लेकिन रत्ना इतना डांस करने का नहीं है क्योंकि आप घबरा गए. एक बार अ बोले, एक बार एन बोले, एक बार अ बोले. You know, you were not.
I have a question, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir. I know that this answer is A because when I will pronounce vowel and here is U, that's why I'm telling you the answer is A university. But when you are asking me what will be the answer, 1 second, I'm
Okay,
very
see
nervous.
why you know some
Yes.
people they are confused that why it is A, why it is A. The answer is it is U, year.
Yes.
Year means Y. University, year. So year means Y. So that is the reason the sound is not a vowel sound. It's university, not university. ऊनी नहीं है, ऊनी होता तो होता, ये यूनिवर्सिटी है इसीलिए. A European tour. Again year. Again year. Okay, that is the reason. Hour, an hour. Because hour, is a vowel sound. It is H. H is a silent here. H का कोई sound नहीं है. Hour नहीं है. हाँ, ये hour नहीं है. ये hour है. And MA is an MA. Absolutely right, because a sound is coming. A. Okay, MA. So it is the reason it is an MA. That's the reason, you know, many people, what they do the mistake, you know, उनको पता होता है कि अगर vowel होगा तभी हम n बैठाएंगे. अगर consonant होगा then I will put a. But it's not about vowel and consonant. It's about vowel sound and consonant sound. There's a difference between sound and vowel. Okay. So this is the reason it is really very complicated. And now we are going more deeper into it. Now let's go ahead for the rule number 2. The rule number 2 is use a and an only with countable nouns. जो नाउन काउंटेबल है उनके साथ हम अ या एन को यूज करेंगे जो काउंटेबल हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन सी दिस. These all elephant, car, teacher, onion, spinach, these all are countable. अभी तक हमने जो भी एग्जाम्पल देखे, those all are countable nouns. Let's see. Interesting story, 1 story, 2 story, university, European tour, hour, MA in English. These all are countable noun. These all are countable nouns. So that is the reason with countable noun, you can use a and an. Now my next question is, what are uncountable nouns? Can anybody tell me What are uncountable nouns? Can you use your chat box and tell me what are uncountable nouns? So I will read it for you. Okay, air. Okay, water. Savita writing water. Ritu. Okay, Sharmila, water. Shumana, sugar. Sky. Himalayas. Milk. Oil. Sky. Rock. Milk. Absolutely right. You all are right. Star. Money. Milk. Yes, absolutely right. Absolutely right. Ganga. Sugar. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Okay. Now I will show you the list. Absolutely. You know things much better. Water, sugar, coffee, these all are uncountable. Okay, these are all cut. So you cannot write a or an. Anger, knowledge, beauty, darkness, these all are uncountable. These all are uncountable noun. So आप इसके साथ a व n को use नहीं कर सकते. You cannot use a or an with them. Okay, let's go ahead now. Let's go for another quiz. Again, a trial quiz with everyone. Okay, let me see everyone in a. Okay, now I'll ask to Nobonita. So Nobonita, please be ready. Your question is, I have a cell phone. I have a cell phone. Is it right? आपको लगता है यहाँ पे अ होगा कि एन होगा कि नहीं होगा? अ होगा. किसको लगता है नहीं होगा? किसी को नहीं लगता? Very good. Very nice. And yes, absolutely right. This is a correct sentence. This is a correct sentence. Wonderful. Very nice. Very good. Nobonita, you're doing very good. Now I'll go to Neelam Agarwal. Neelam Agarwal, your sentence is...
Sir, before I have a doubt, na sir. Sir, cell phone तो countable था ना?
हाँ, काउंटेबल है. ऊपर से जो साउंड है स, तो ये तो काउंटेबल भी है और ये साउंड भी.
I'm confused with countable or uncountable.
अनकाउंटेबल में अ या एन
yes.
नहीं होता है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
So cell phone is countable again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now your next sentence is for Neelam ji. Neelam, your sentence is, I have got an easy question.
Right, sir.
Right लग रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so अगर आपको ये right लग रहा है तो देख लेते हैं. Yes, absolutely. You are absolutely right. Very good. Let's go to Tanushri Bhattacharya. Okay, so Tanushri, your sentence is, I have got an orange shirt.
Right, sir. Correct.
Savita. Tanushri is saying correct.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yeah.
Shikha, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Itna confidence. Bindu Suku, is it correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Let's see.
It's a wrong because shirts. It's a plural. Shirts.
Oh.
Plural. How can you use a there? वो सब लोग बोल रही है, बगल वाली
ओहो।
बोल रही है हाँ सर सही है, वो और एक बगल वाली बोल रही है हाँ सर ठीक है। डोंट लिसन एनीवन, अपना दिमाग लगाओ आप लोग। बोले ना ये आर्टिकल्स आर
sir.
वेरी 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 कंफ्यूजिंग, गलती हो जाती है इसीलिए।
सर मेरे उसमें पूरा सेंटेंस शो ही नहीं हो रहा था, मैंने शर्ट ही नहीं देखी।
तो आपको पूछना चाहिए था सर
सर।
ऑरेंज क्या सर, आप
सर
पूछिए।
आपने बोला था ऑरेंज शर्ट।
ऑरेंज शर्ट, तो वो
तो मैं
शर्ट
नहीं ठीक है, अब ठीक है, अब क्या कर सकते हैं, अब इतना
बट
तो
सर ऑरेंज इज काउंटेबल ना, दैट्स
शर्ट।
व्हाई
ऑरेंज इज, अरे भाई ऑरेंज इज अ कलर, ठीक है, ऑरेंज के लिए
मोर देन वन
एन हो सकता है, लेकिन शर्ट
और मोर देन वन।
I have
इट्स अ
got
शर्ट, यू नो शर्ट्स।
yes, wrong.
Short is the next word, na? That's why.
व्हाट
Before countable noun, so
Hmm.
orange is countable noun. So that's why.
ऑरेंज इज नॉट अ नाउन मैडम, ऑरेंज इज एन एडजेक्टिव।
Adjective.
Yes sir.
Oh, ये तो color आते हैं.
Sentence wrong है।
Yes, yes, yes.
सेंटेंस इज
Color
रॉन्ग,
आते हैं.
यहाँ पे शर्ट के हिसाब से आपको अ या एन बैठाना है ना, वो जो
Yes, yes.
नाउन है
yes.
उस नाउन को देखना है आपको। चलिए अब सबको लग रहा है कि
Now
दे
we
नाउ
will see.
लर्न इट। अब अगला मैं यहाँ पे गूगली दूंगा मैं। Okay, let's go for Preeti. Preeti. I don't know why always she puts Preeti. Okay, but anyway. So Preeti, your sentence is I saw a pretty woman. Is it a right sentence?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't say yes, first see.
Right.
Okay, so fine, absolutely right. Why you're becoming angry? Absolutely right. Okay. Okay, let's go for the next. Let's go for Nandita Das. Okay, Nandita, your sentence is coming on your screen. I look for a happiness. Yeah, Nandita, is it? Yeah?
Sir, it's a wrong sentence. I look for happiness.
For the happiness.
I look for the happiness.
We are
It will-
talking about a, an. अभी तक द में गए नहीं है, अभी तो द में छोड़ दीजिए, अ या an.
I look for a happiness.
अरे कुछ तो बोलिए, जो भी लग रहा है आपको वही बोलिए।
It's a right sentence. Sir.
It's a right sentence. Okay, Arpita Dev, what do you think is a right sentence?
Wrong.
Why?
Happiness countable, not countable.
So happiness is not countable. So that's the reason you want to say absolutely right. It's a wrong sentence. Happiness is an uncountable. So you cannot put a or an. आप uncountable के साथ a या an नहीं place कर सकते. Okay, now let's go for the next person. Let's go for Yogita Sirsat. Yogita, your sentence is coming on your screen. I want a water.
Wrong है sir.
क्यों भाई? What is the problem?
Water है uncountable noun है.
अच्छा, water is uncountable, so you feel it is a wrong sentence. देखिए computer जी, बताइए it's a wrong. Yes, it is a wrong sentence because water is uncountable. Absolutely right. So a नहीं होगा when you say I want water, not I want a water. Absolutely right. Now I'll go for the next person here. Next person is Suman Soni.
Yes, sir.
Suman ji, your sentence is coming on your screen. I want to buy a table. I want to buy a table. Yes, Suman ji. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What do you think? This is a right sentence?
Right sentence.
So Suman ji is saying it's a right sentence. Absolutely, this is a right sentence. Okay, let's go for Fazilat. Okay, Fazilat, your sentence is, I have an idea.
Correct, sir.
Right, idea, right?
So we can कितने भी हो सकते हैं idea, no? We can be have so many idea.
So it is a right sentence. I have idea or I have an idea. What happened? Tell the final answer. See, the problem is that you are not confident about your answer. You have to be confident. Ab dekho, if you are wrong also, at least I will tell you that you are confident. That is also important.
Correct, sir.
Okay, so she thinks it's a right and absolutely right. Because idea is countable. 1 idea, 2 idea, 3 ideas, 4 ideas, 5 ideas. It is countable. Ideas are countable. Okay. Fine. Let's go for the next person. We can go for Neha. Okay, Neha ji, your sentence is, I have to call a doctors.
Correct.
Correct sentence? Okay, ठीक है. Okay,
No.
okay, fine. Okay, Swarnalata, is it a right sentence? Unmute yourself.
No, it's a wrong answer.
It's a wrong
Doctors
sentence.
Yeah, doctors is plural.
Achha, doctor is a plural, doctors is here, so it is a wrong sentence. Wrong sentence because there are plural doctors. Doctors. See, you have to see the whole sentence, okay, before you reply.
Yeah, shorts and doctors are good.
Yes, absolutely. Very good, Shwarna Lata. Very good answer. You know, we sometimes feel that we know articles, but these are the small mistakes we do when we speak. अब इतने जल्दी में हम लोग बोल देते हैं ना कि कोई इतना दिमाग नहीं लगाता, but we should definitely think about this. Okay, this time, let's see, we have it or not. Okay, yes, we have one. I need an advice. Okay, let's go for Neeti Kumari. Neeti Kumari, tell me. I need an advice. You're not saying something.
Sir, I need advice.
Shumana, be ready.
I'm getting confused, sir.
That's the reason I'm here. Don't worry. Yes, Shumana will tell. Shumana, what do you think?
Sir, right, sir.
Right. Okay. Acha, Ritu Sinha will speak.
Yes, sir. This is right sentence.
Right sentence. Wow, that's so good. Poonam Shukla will tell me. Is it is right or not?
Sir, it's right.
It is right sentence. Batao computer ji. Computer ji ने बोल दिया wrong sentence. Because the advice is always uncountable. You cannot count advice. You can count ideas, but you cannot count advice. Suggestions आप count नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन ideas count कर सकते हैं आप. 1 idea, 2 idea, 3 idea. लेकिन suggestions are uncountable. Advice is uncountable.
Why, sir? One
why?
advice, two advice.
नहीं, वैसे नहीं होता. एक एडवाइस के अंदर बहुत सारे आइडियाज होते हैं. एक मतलब देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स अंडर द एडवाइस. एडवाइस होता है सलाह देना, यू नो, सलाह. और आइडिया होता है एक एक थॉट्स जिसको आप काउंट कर सकते हो. 1 आइडिया, आई हैव गॉट एन आइडिया. हम लोग ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे कि आई हैव गॉट अ सजेशन. आई हैव गॉट एन आइडिया. मेरे को किसी को सजेशन देना है, तो सजेशंस बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. Advice.
We say like, give me some suggestions, not like a suggestion or
Yes,
give me
absolutely.
some suggestion.
So
Excuse me, sir.
always remember, advice
sir.
is you cannot put an. Okay, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं I have an advice for you. Never say that. I
No.
have advice for you. Suman, you wanted to say something?
यस सर, यही हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं आपको एक सलाह दूं, तो ऐसा ही
हाँ, लेकिन क्या होता है, सलाह में बहुत चीजें रहती हैं, तो वो कोई एक चीज नहीं होता है, ये जस्ट एक में ही बहुत सारी चीजें उसमें रहती हैं. सो इट इज सो दिमाग में रखना हमेशा, एडवाइस, सजेशन, दीज आर ऑल अनकाउंटेबल. आइडियाज काउंटेबल है, एडवाइस अनकाउंटेबल है.
ओके सर.
Now let's come to article the. But the can be used with all countable and uncountable noun. The आप हर जगह लगा सकते हो. The का कोई restriction नहीं है. A and an का restriction है. The का कोई restriction नहीं है. You can use the even in uncountable also. Let's find out some example of the. So एक rules आप देख लो, ये है रूल नंबर 3 का पहला रूल. यूज अ and an to talk about a person or a thing unknown to your listener. बहुत अच्छा एडवाइस है, अच्छे से उसको सुनिए. जब आप सामने वाले को कुछ बोलते हो जो सामने वाले को नहीं पता, लिसनर को उसके बारे में नहीं पता. जैसे मेरे पास एक लैपटॉप है. I have a laptop. आपको नहीं पता था, वो मेरे को पता है, because that is my laptop. So always remember there are many things which you don't know. तो जब आप किसी को बोलोगे, when you speak and the other person doesn't know about that, you have to use a and an. For example, I'm giving you one example. My sister has 2 computers, a PC and a laptop. My sister has 2 computers, a PC and a laptop. So abhi tak, you didn't know about it, but after I tell you that, now you know that. Okay, my sister has 2 computers, a PC and a laptop. So you didn't know that, but right now you know that. तो इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ पे a PC, a laptop को मैंने यूज किया है.
गर्म पानी दे देंगे सिर बॉडी.
So please mute yourself kindly. Kindly check your mute or not. Okay, let's go for number 3 का दूसरा वाला option. Number 3 का the second rule is use the to talk about a person or thing known to your listener. The आप तब यूज करोगे जब सामने वाले को आप जो बोल रहे हो वो पता है. For example, so what we did in the last example, I have used my sister has 2 computers, a PC and a laptop. So now that my friend जिसको मैं बोल रहा हूँ, to whom I am telling this, he was not knowing about it. So I have used a PC and a laptop. But once I say this, now it is known. अभी उसको पता है. Now it is known to him that my sister has 2 computers. So now if I say the PC is quite old, but laptop is brand new. So now I am using the, because now that person knows about it. That my sister has a PC and a laptop. So first, in my first statement, जब मैंने ये first statement बोला, my sister has 2 computers, a PC and a laptop, उसको पता नहीं था, he was not knowing it. But after I tell that, अगर मुझे second sentence बताना हो, the PC is quite old, but the laptop is brand new. So now I'm using the, because now I'm talking about something which that person knows. So the will be used when the people know about that. For example, let's go for example. I think you will understand that. So example in the form of, okay, now we'll have the quiz. Please be ready. Now we have all the quizzes. आज का जो quiz है, that is very important and this will clear all your doubts. The first is for Lakshman. Lakshman Thorat. Be ready with your answer. Total marks 12. Lakshman, can you fill the blanks? I planted dash tree in my garden last year. Dash tree has now grown big.
I planted a tree in my garden last year. The tree has now grown big.
The tree has now grown big. So you have just seen the first sentence. I planted a tree in my garden last year because you were not knowing it. आपको पता नहीं था, लेकिन जैसे ही मैंने बता दिया आपको, I told you that I have planted a tree. Now I'm talking about the same tree, so I will not use a, I will use the. So this is the sentence. I planted a tree because you are not knowing about it, so I placed a. But now you know it after first sentence. So now I'm talking about that tree, so I will use the. The tree has now grown big. Okay, so I believe you people are understanding the fact. If you have any problem, we can talk in the the question answer session. Don't worry. Let's go for the number 2. And this time number 2 is for Geeta Bakshi. Yeah, Geeta ji, please unmute yourself and your sentence is coming on your screen. Yes, can you tell me the answer?
I planted some trees in my garden last year. The tree has now grown big.
So what will be there in the first fill in the blanks?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, so you want to say ki I planted a or an will not come here. Or the
trees are plural.
Okay, okay. So but the next
But
sentence.
the next sentence it has singular.
Okay.
The tree has the particular tree has now grown big. We can say. If I can change some words here, no.
So can you change it? Change it then.
I planted a tree in my garden last year. The tree has now grown big.
Okay, but if it is a some tree, then
I will not use any article.
So it is a wrong sentence then.
A sentence is wrong. Yes.
Yes, the sentence is wrong because a small trees is a wrong sentence.
A some tree कभी नहीं आएगा.
हाँ, कभी नहीं होगा. A planted a some trees नहीं होगा. So हम इसको change करेंगे. So इसको change करके हम क्या करेंगे? I planted some trees in my garden.
Some trees in my garden last year. The
trees have now grown big.
Grown big.
Yes, absolutely. This is the right sentence. Very good, Geeta Bakshi. Wonderful.
Thanks.
Okay, so I think these are the silly mistake. We do it sometimes, when we see some and we put a or the or an. Okay, let's go for Poonam Sharma. Poonam, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Poonam, your sentence is, can you open a window, the window, or an window?
Can you open a window?
Can you open a window? The right answer is the. You are talking about a particular window. Because to whom you are telling, जिसको आप बोल रहे हो, उसको उसके बारे में पता है. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
आप जिसको बोल रहे हो विंडो के बारे में, that person knows about it, कि there is a window. So that is the reason it will be the window. Okay, let's go for the next person. We'll go for जिसको चांस अभी तक मिला नहीं. कौन है, कौन बोलेगा? Okay, let's go Rinku Chondok. Rinku, I'll come to Rekha and Chanda very soon. Okay, so Rinku
Yes, sir.
Chandak. Rinku, your sentences coming on your screen. I need to go back home. I think I left dash stove on. The, an. क्या होगा रिंकू? मुझे घर जाना पड़ेगा, शायद मैंने अपना स्टोव को ऐसे खुला मतलब ऑन करके ही छोड़ दिया. द नहीं होगा. नहीं नहीं होगा.
Yes,
इज
sir,
अ
the.
रॉन्ग सेंटेंस
I
होगा.
think-
तो इसका जो राइट सेंटेंस होगा दैट विल बी I need to go back home. I think I left the stove on.
The stove.
Because the stove, एक particular stove
The
के बारे में
stove.
हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, we are talking about a particular stove. It's not any stove. Okay, let's go to Mamta Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mamta, your sentence is coming on your screen. Dash man is my boss.
The man is my boss.
The man is my boss. The man, which man? He-Man या Superman या Spider-Man? बेसिकली ममता जी आपका गलती नहीं है, ये मेरा गलती है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे द मैन इज एन इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंस. आपने सही बोला है लेकिन ये सेंटेंस ही रॉन्ग है. ओके, हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि द मैन इन द ग्रे सूट इज माई बॉस, बट द मैन इज माई बॉस ऐसे नहीं होगा. ओके, द मैन, वो इंसान जो ग्रे सूट में है वो मेरा बॉस है.
Yes.
ओके, सो द मैन इज माई बॉस, एक इंसान है जो मेरा बॉस है, ऐसे नहीं हम लोग बोलते कभी. द मैन हु इज स्टैंडिंग, द मैन हु इज देयर इन द चेयर सिटिंग, ही इज माई बॉस. सो
Yes.
द मैन. वेरी गुड ममता, you tried well. Okay, let's go to Rekha ji. Rekha ji, your sentence is, where is dash money I lent you last week? क्या होगा बोलिए?
Where is the money I lent you last week? Where is
The
the money?
the होगा.
Countable है ना? नहीं, an है, yeah. Countable is money is uncountable. The आएगा.
The आएगा.
Where is the money?
Where is the money? Where is money भी तो हो सकता है. No article भी तो हो सकता है.
Where is the money?
Where is money I lent you last week?
Where is money? हाँ, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Where is money?
Where is money?
नहीं, I lent you last week. मैंने लिया था. Last week ने मैंने लिया था. Where
कहाँ,
is?
किससे लिया
where
था?
is the money? मैंने particularly बताया ना, week में, last week में वो लिया था उसने. इससे
हाँ, किससे
where is
लिया
the
था?
money?
हाँ, वही तो, किससे लिया था?
तुमसे लिया था मैंने last week में.
मेरे को दिया नहीं अभी भी. Okay, yes, absolutely right, Rekha ji, you are absolutely right. So it's is a wrong sentence. कभी नहीं होगा. Where is the money? The right answer is, where is the money I lent you last week? Because we are talking about that particular money which I gave it to you. Above that it is uncountable, so आप इसको बोल नहीं सकते कि a money or an money. Okay, so you have to understand, with uncountable noun, you cannot place a or an. Okay, let's go for the next speaker. We have got Sharmila Sen. Sharmila Sen, your sentence is on your screen. My car is 2011 Maruti 800. So Sharmila, do you think यहाँ पे कोई आर्टिकल की जरूरत है या ये सेंटेंस परफेक्ट है?
My car is
What do you think? Is there any article required? आर्टिकल की जरूरत है यहाँ पे कि जरूरत नहीं है?
my car is sir wrong sentence. My
क्या
car
होगा
is
राइट? क्या होगा राइट?
incomplete sentence sir.
तो क्या होगा राइट बताइए, राइट? राइट पता नहीं है, रॉन्ग
नहीं सर my car is Maruti 800.
See, my question is, we are doing article. So यहाँ पे या तो आर्टिकल लगेगा या तो आर्टिकल नहीं लगेगा. So what do you think? आर्टिकल लगेगा? अगर लगेगा तो कहाँ लगेगा?
No sir, my car is 2011 the Maruti 800.
The Maruti 800.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, तो the लगेगा आपके हिसाब से. छंदा, what do you think? Is it a right sentence और यहाँ पे कुछ लगेगा आर्टिकल?
सर लगेगा. My car is the 2011 Maruti 800. कि पर्टिकुलर यहाँ पे इंडिकेट किया जा रहा है कि 2000 मॉडल का इंडिकेशन है. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible. Audible. I'm thinking about your answer right now. Yes, Manisha Desai.
Sir, there is no article. The sentence is right.
Sentence is right.
Yes,
The
sir.
right answer is, let's go ahead and see. The right answer is, my car is a 2011 Maruti 800.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, 2800, you know, this is a noun here. ये पूरा मॉडल का नाम है, ये पूरा मॉडल का नाम है 2011 Maruti 800.
Actually, sir, I thought this is the year 2011. That's why.
हाँ, 2011 तो ईयर ही है, लेकिन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कि मेरा जो मारुति है उसका पूरा नाम मैं ऐसे बता रहा हूँ कि माई कार इज 2011 मारुति 800.
सर
So
दा क्यों नहीं
This is the model number. I think this is the model number 2011.
हाँ, मीन्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ईयर है ये.
Okay,
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ईयर है 2011 इज द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ईयर. सो मैं अपने मारुति 800 भी अगर बोलूं या 2011 मारुति 800 बोलूं, so we cannot use the here.
Okay.
हम लोग यहाँ पे the को इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे. I'm talking about a, you know, मारुति 800 कार. अब इसके बारे में अब आपको तो पता नहीं था. अगर मैं बोलूं my car is a, मैंने बोला ना आपको तो पता नहीं है, तो इसीलिए I have said my car is a. अब इसके बारे में अगर मैं बोलूंगा कि you know the car is sold already, तब मैं बोलूंगा the car. So it is my car is a 2011 Maruti 800.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let's go ahead for Karthika. Okay, so Karthika, your sentence is coming. You can use your TV as laptop monitor. It is a complete
Correct, sir.
sentence.
Yes, sir.
Do you think any article is needed to be there?
No, sir. It's complete.
Okay, I'll go for Saroja. Saroja, do you think any article will come?
No, sir. This is correct sentence, sir.
Okay,
You can
Neeraj
use your
Madan,
TV as laptop
Neeraj Madan,
monitor.
can you say something?
You can use your TV
As laptop.
Right sentence.
Okay, Surinder Kaur. Surinder Kaur.
Yes, yes, sir. You can use your TV as a laptop monitor.
You can, यहाँ पे हम लोग आर्टिकल के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं, तो क्या बोले आपने? You can
You can
use
use your TV as a laptop monitor.
as a laptop monitor is a right answer. As a right, you know, it's a as a laptop monitor is the right answer. So ये simple हम लोग mistake करते हैं कभी कभी. You know, when you are putting a laptop is a noun and you're talking about a laptop monitor, so you have to place a there. Okay, so we are left with only few questions for the night. So let's go for Bindu Suku. Yeah, Bindu, your sentence is on your screen right now. Mr. Mishra's son is intelligent boy.
Mr. Mishra's son is an intelligent boy.
An intelligent boy is a right answer. Mr. Mishra's son is an intelligent boy is the right answer. Very good. Very nice. Let's go for the next speaker, Rajni Sharma. Rajni Sharma, if you are listening me, then you have to answer me this. I would like to become member of your library.
I would like to become a member of your library.
Okay, a member.
Yes.
Absolutely right. I would like to become a member of your library. Wonderful.
Library.
Very nice. Very good. I would like to become a member of.
Member of
Yes.
your library.
Let's go to Sampurna Sinha. Sampurna ji, I have, you know, tried to give maximum people opportunity, but still agar miss ho jaye to don't mind. Your sentence is, Sampurna ji, I am teacher.
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher is a right answer. Very good. Wonderful. Very good. Okay, so we have got the last question for सबको तो opportunity मिला है. अब कुछ लोग. Anita Pachicia, are you there? Anita, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so the last question is for you. He worked as accountant for 2 years in IDQ.
An accountant.
An accountant. He worked as an accountant for 2 years in IDQ.
ID. Yes, sir.
Very good. So thank you very much. We have done today the first day session on article, and I'm telling you, this is going to help you a lot. And the next day we will be going more deeper into this article.